Hey everyone! Welcome back to Natty's Home Decor. Today we discuss the kitchen, my favorite place in my home, after my bedroom, of course. We've got a super exciting topic. We're talking about 10 ways to make your kitchen look bigger. Whether you've just moved into a new home, are renovating, or simply want to make your current space feel more open, these tips are going to help you out. So grab your coffee and let's dive in. First up, let's talk about smart kitchens. Now, this might not be the first thing you think of when it comes to making a space look bigger, but hear me out. When you're using smart appliances, you're not only optimizing the layout and making things more functional, but you're also creating a sense of sleekness and simplicity that can visually open up your space. Think smart refrigerators, integrated dishwashers, and even smart lighting. They help reduce visual clutter and make your kitchen feel cleaner and more spacious. Plus, a smart kitchen can make your life so much easier, and who doesn't want that? Next up is bold backsplashes. This might sound counterintuitive because traditionally we think of simple or neutral backsplashes as the way to go. But if you choose a bold backsplash, maybe a colorful tile or geometric pattern, it can draw the eye upward and give the illusion of height, making your space feel larger. It's all about creating focal points and playing with depth. Don't be afraid to go for something fun. A bold backsplash can transform a small kitchen into something visually exciting. It's like the perfect piece of art for your walls. Let's talk about minimalism. When it comes to making a kitchen look bigger, less is definitely more. Try simplifying your kitchen's design by getting rid of unnecessary items. Opt for sleek, streamlined cabinetry, clean countertops, and fewer decorative objects. By keeping the space minimal, your kitchen will instantly feel more open. Also, consider hiding your appliances in cabinetry or choosing built-in designs to keep your countertops clear. It's all about creating a calm, airy vibe. And while we're on the subject of cabinets, Let's not forget the power of white cabinets. White cabinets are a classic for a reason. They make any space feel brighter and more open. White reflects light, making your kitchen feel larger and more airy. If you want a modern, clean look, this is an easy and effective way to achieve it. You can always add a pop of color through accessories or other decor elements, but white cabinets are a foolproof way to make your kitchen look more spacious. Here's a fun one: bold painted cabinets. Many people stick to neutrals when it comes to cabinetry, but don't be afraid to experiment with color. A bold hue, like navy blue, forest green, or even a deep charcoal can add personality and make your kitchen feel more expansive. Darker colors create depth, and if you balance it with lighter accents like white countertops or backsplash, it creates the perfect contrast. If you want to go even bolder, try two-tone cabinetry. This is a great way to add dimension and make your kitchen look more dynamic. This one can be a game changer. Open shelves can create a sense of openness and give your kitchen a more airy, spacious feeling. When arranged neatly, they allow you to showcase beautiful dishes, glassware, or even decorative pieces. And since they're open, your eyes will naturally travel upward, adding vertical space. But don't forget to keep it organized. A cluttered open shelf can actually have the opposite effect and make the space feel cramped. Last, but definitely not least, lighting. Good lighting is essential for making any space feel larger, and your kitchen is no exception. Incorporate task lighting under your cabinets, pendant lights above your island, and ambient lighting that spreads throughout the room. Layering different types of light helps eliminate shadows and makes the room feel more open. Natural light is always best, so keep those windows clear of heavy drapes and let the sunlight work its magic. So there you have it, 10 ways to make your kitchen look bigger. I hope these tips give you some inspiration for your own space. Whether you're renovating, moving into a new home, or just looking for a fresh update, these ideas can help you create the kitchen of your dreams. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a design tip. I'd love to know which of these tips you'll be trying out, so leave a comment down below and let's chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.